Here at Motion Solutions, we take motion control and linear motion components, integrate them into custom application-specific electromechanical systems for use by our customers, whether it be low volume all the way up to high volume production.
We really have three legs of a stool. Our general distribution business, which is how we got started. The other two parts of our business are manufacturing, stages, belt drives, actuators, all the way through vision systems. And then the last portion of that is engineered solutions. And by that I mean we build, design, test, prototype, all the way through to the manufacturing process, custom solutions for our customers.
I think one thing that sets Motion Solutions apart from our competition is our engineering team. We have a staff of over 20 degreed engineers, ranging from our field sales engineers to our mechanical engineers, our electrical engineers, and control engineers. Our customers tend to view us as an extension of their own engineering team, whereby they leverage our ability and our bandwidth to solve their problems. Everything from mechanical design to electrical schematic and box build, to front-end software interfaces and control systems. We have a well-tenured staff of engineering here in Motion Solutions.
Our customers, when they come to us with applications, I think that they're confident that we can deliver them the solution that they're looking for. You know, we start out with some of the best brands in the industry that we're partnered with, and then with all of our resources available, we can take that product or that component to the next level and really develop a complete system-level solution for the customer that solves their application need.
We have invested a lot of money and time into our facilities to help us be as successful as we have been and to continue to grow. We have a lot of tools, fixturing, high-end equipment like CMMs, laser interferometers, autocollimators. Those items really help us characterize our design and really understand at a micron level, which is something you can't see with your eyes. You need lasers to do that.
Well, one thing that's unique is we have a Class 1000 clean room, so we're able to build clean room class assemblies here on site. We also have the capabilities to clean components that need to go into that Class 1000 clean room. So we have the specialty cleaning equipment also required. So we don't have to wait, send parts out, wait till they come back. We can clean them, get them into the clean room and build right away. So that's definitely an advantage for our customers.
A lot of our customers consider us an extension of their engineering team. The partnership formed between engineers over the course of a project carries long after the project is complete. And that consultation, they really end up viewing us as experts in the field. And when an issue comes up or that next project comes up, they want to work with experts and people with expertise, and that's why they come to Motion Solutions.
I think our team here is very detail-oriented. We're experts in the linear motion industry and in the motion control field, and so there's a good partnership there where we create a good team. Our customers are experts in their field of study, whether it be something in the medical industry or in the life sciences, and then they can kind of rely on our team and our resources to pull in that mechanical design aspect or that motion control or that linear motion aspect of the project and really kind of tie it all together to create something that's new in their field and innovative.
I'm most proud of the engineering power we have here. You can't see it when you look at the outside of the building, but inside, having more than 20 degreed engineers really lends itself to solving a technical problem. And so whether it be electrical or mechanical or software, we have the expertise here to get those problems solved.
I think you would find that a lot of the sales engineers and the employees of this company are very passionate about what we do. To many of us, it's not just a job. We really see value in what we're doing with customers. And so to be able to go out and work with a company that's designing a new cutting-edge medical device or maybe the new instrument for cancer diagnostics, it really means something to play a part in that and to be able to contribute something to that effort in the product that we're delivering.
I think what makes us most proud of the work we do at Motion Solutions is the contribution we have to how our customers impact the world. Our customers tend to be industry leaders in semiconductor capital equipment, medical device, life science industries, and in general industrial automation. Through our implementation and design of innovative electromechanical application-specific solutions centered around motion control and linear motion technologies, we are enabling our customers to make the world a better place.